Hello, my name is Brian Savage, and for my technology instructional phase, this is to help school staff learn the benefits of using Microsoft Forms for easy and fast data collection of students' IEP accommodations. So the rationale behind this is based off of the legal requirements for teachers to be submitting how they are utilizing all the legal requirements on a student's individualized education program or their IEP in order to show that they are using full fidelity to ensure student academic success. So based on our school, using a paper-based system requires tremendous man hours and a waste of resources. The production of the original artifact or the matrices, getting it out to teachers filling it out, then having to resubmit it back in at the end of the month, and then special educators using all that information and data to analyze it to see how are a student's needs most likely to be successful or not successful within the classroom. So using this change for Microsoft Forms, all information is collected instantly and stored in one source that can be accessed by teachers, administrators, or even the state required at any time if any questions are needed. So why Microsoft Forms? So Microsoft Form is an online evidence tracker provided to us through Microsoft 365. This is similar to Google Forms. They're able to easily embed it and then resubmit it out using a hyperlink that can be accessed through our accounts. Clicking it can be done very quickly, and it also allows all information to be submitted and then analyzed instantly to be used during IEP team meetings, or if any parents have any general concerns if their student's IEP is not being implemented with true fidelity. So the benefits of using Microsoft Forms is the easy user-friendly interface. It can be accessed through your mobile device or the personal devices given, or your even home computer. The raw data exportation that can be used through Excel forms. The swift analysis that creates very visual pie charts that allows teachers and parents to really see how are teachers implementing a student's IEP. And that there's no limit to the maximum number of responses. So this can be used from the time a student's IEP is created through their next annual date. And then as a new IEP is created, it can just be easily changed and modified based off of any changes to a student's IEP. So now you're going to be viewing an instructional video that will help you move along as you're using Microsoft Forms. In case you ever have any support or questions, this video will help you complete the required information. Hello everyone, so the purpose of this video is to go through to show you how to use the online matrices through Microsoft Forms to document all of your testing and instructional accommodations, as well as your supplementary aids and services used for our students with disabilities. So by first logging onto your shared drive, you're going to see all the students' names that we have. These are just a few examples. So we're going to use Jay Smith as our example. So by clicking on the link, it will open you up to this form. So what you will do is just follow the prompting provided. So you'll click it, go to today's date, you'll enter your name, you'll hit next. So these are the testing and instructional accommodations based off of Jay Smith's IEP. So what you see here is that this is a multi-option selection. So all you need to do is just click the ones that you use in your lesson. It might be all of them if you use them all, or it might just be a few of them depending on your individual class needs and requirements to help with the modifications to help support the student. After you've clicked the one that you use, you'll just hit next. Next is the supplementary aid and services. Same thing. It's an easy selection. Click the ones that you used, hit submit, and you are all done. And you can do this if you missed a day, if you need to backtrack. It's so easy to go in, and once you hit it, you are all done. Thank you. So after completing it, what the special educators will be able to see on our end is by going back in, we'll be able to truly see all the responses that are created. So here we can see that there have been 21 responses as the example. The average time to complete is only 21 seconds. So when teachers are concerned, is this going to be very lengthy, take a lot of my planning time? It's not going to do it, and it keeps you being under fidelity. We're able to see all today's dates of when they have been responded, teachers' names collected, and then over here, we're able to see exactly the resources that are being used. And what this is beneficial is for us to really make sure that teachers are implementing the student's IEP with full fidelity, as well as any trends or patterns that might be showing student success or lack thereof within the classroom. So by using Microsoft Forms, it's a much easier and faster way to stay on top of students' needs throughout the individual school year. Thank you.